how to fix the error code 5100 in your Canon Pixma G5020 printer. Open this chamber and just look inside. Now if you are recently doing any cleaning, or if you have opened this section and if you moved the print heads, only then the printer gives this kind of error. And in case if something is lying here and if that is obstructing the way of the print heads, or if the paper is stuck here, even the paper jam can happen. To fix that, simply remove all the obstructions that are inside. If you see any paper or anything else inside here, just remove it. Make sure the print heads are moving easily and then close it. Just press the power button once and release it. You will see it says ending, please wait. So this will clear the error and it will switch off the printer. Now press the power button again to switch it on. Wait for the printer to completely restart. Your printer will take a minute or two to start and it will clear the error, and then you can resume the normal printing. Once you see the main screen like ready to print, that means it is done properly. Thanks for watching.